Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I am Kafayat, and I'm glad to have you here. If you are new to this channel, you are absolutely welcome. In today's video, I'll be sharing step-by-step recipe on how to make chicken shawarma. Without wasting so much time, let's jump right into it. I'll be listing out all the things you need to make this delicious shawarma in the description box. To start with, you grate your carrots. Depending on the quantity you want to make, you can use according to your preference. But here, I just used one out of the two I have on my work table. I forgot to press the play button while cutting the lettuce. Please pardon me. I used half of the lettuce on my work table. Next, I proceeded to prepare my mayonnaise with ketchup. I added in yogurt, added black pepper, a squeeze of lemon, a little piece of honey, and I mix everything together. After mixing, I then set it aside and mix it up with the vegetables. While that is ready, I proceeded to cut out my chicken into tiny stripes. I added a little bit of bouillon, a little amount of salt, ginger, garlic powder, chili pepper, black pepper, and a little bit amount of olive oil. I stir to combine everything together so that all the ingredients can absorb properly. Proceed to heat up a pan and transfer the entire chicken inside. With a spatula, stir everything together, making sure that everything is evenly cooked. If you are here to subscribe to my channel, kindly do by hitting on the subscribe button and turning on the notification bell. Kindly like and comment on my video so that I'll be encouraged to share more recipes with you guys. After you see that the chicken is fully cooked, you can then transfer into a separate bowl or plate, leaving it to cool completely before mixing up with the veggies. After the chicken has completely cooled off, you can then add it together with the vegetables and begin to wrap up the shawarma. Carefully pick up each of the shawarma sheets and add an ample amount of vegetables and the chicken into it. Using your right hand and your left hand to fold the shawarma into two, then you fold the down part, rolling it up to seal up till the last edge. Repeat the same process for the rest of the sheet till you have completely used everything up. Proceed to heat your pan, placing each of the shawarma into the heated pot and begin to eat it for at least 3 to 4 minutes on both sides. Voila! Our chicken shawarma is ready. Would you be trying this? Let me know in the comment section if you do. Thanks for watching. Bye.